Hello, welcome to my channel. Let us solve this problem in this video. Solve the radical equation square root of x minus 2x square root of x is equal to 0. Now let us solve this problem. So the given equation can be written as root x square root of x. This one you can write as square root of x multiplied by square root of x, like this, minus square root of x multiplied by square root of x minus 2x square root of x is equal to 0. Now square root of x is common, you take it out. So you will have 1 minus square root of x minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x. Because root x has been taken out. Root x means the square root of x equal to 0. Call it as equation 1. Use a zero product property. That means root x is 0 and then 1 minus square root of x minus 2x is equal to 0. So first you take square root of x as 0, which gives you the solution as x as 0. So one solution which we have got now is x is equal to 0. Now go to the second one now. Here you can take root x, square root of x on one side. Keep the square root of x on one side, the other things on the other side, which will be 1 minus 2x. Means what? Root x has been taken to this side and 1 minus 2x. That root x which has been taken here is written here. Okay, squaring both sides we have. For expanding this, you can use a minus b whole squared formula or a plus b whole squared formula, where b is minus 2x. Okay, 1 minus 2x the whole squared. We know that a plus b whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here a is 1 for us, b is minus 2x. So expanding this, you have 4x plus 4x squared. On the left you have got x. Again rearrange. 4x squared minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. You can solve by factorizing. That means you will have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 5 and whose product is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. So product of the two numbers should be plus 4 and the sum should be minus 5. Sum should be minus 5, product should be 4. Indeed, there are two such numbers, minus 1 and minus 4. So minus 1 and minus 4, the sum is minus 5. Okay, and the product is 4. So you can write this minus 5x as minus 4x and minus x. Minus 4x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. From the first two terms you take 4x out. X minus 1 minus of 1 minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. And you can see here x minus 1, x minus 1. So 4x minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again use zero product property. 4x minus 1 here, 4x minus 1 would be 0, which gives you 4x is equal to 1. Again you proceed further, you get x is equal to 1 by 4. So one solution is this, x is equal to 1 by 4. Already we got one solution, x is equal to 0 here. You can notice it here. Now we have got x is equal to 1 by 4. We have to check all the equations, all the solutions, right? Then you will have to keep this x minus 1 which is there. No, you have to make x minus 1 to be equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. This is another solution. Now we obtained the solution by the method. Some solutions may be extraneous, that means they may not satisfy the original equation. Okay, we will have to check all the solutions. First we have to check, we'll check x is equal to 0. See here, when you put x is equal to 0, root 0 minus 0 minus 2, 0 into root x, that is root 0 here. Overall it will be 0, so this equation is satisfied. So x is equal to 0 is acceptable. Now coming to this x is equal to 1 by 4. Now you substitute x is 1 by 4 in the original equation as shown here. Root 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 4 root 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus, you have written 2 into 1 by 4 root 1 by 4. You have to simplify this and check whether it turns out to be 0. See here, this root 1 by 4, no, you write as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 as it is. When you simplify this 2, square root of 4 is 2, so it will cancel. You will have minus 1 by 4 here. So finally you are getting 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 is acceptable. Now one solution is to be checked yet, which is x is equal to 1. Substitute in this equation x as 1, see what happens. That is root 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 root 1. This will be minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Therefore you get root of 1 minus 2, of course, which is not equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 is not to be accepted, and it is called as extraneous solution because it does not satisfy. It's called extraneous because it does not satisfy the original equation. So what are the solutions finally to be accepted? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 4 to be accepted. Okay, thank you.